Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to unlock accounts on Zoom. So first, you will need to sign in the Zoom web portal and go to your setting. If you don't have already an account or a Zoom account, you can sign up with Google account or Facebook or other associated Facebook or linked accounts with Zoom. Or otherwise, you can just sign up with another email and add your manually your personal information like the username, email, password, first name, etc. etc. So after you sign in to your account, you will need to go to the settings tab or the navigation tab here. So here we will need to go to the user management. We click on users, and here we will find this page. Well, basically, you will need to have a premium account or a premium version of Zoom to access to the user management. So to upgrade your account, you just click on upgrade and you can just pay or continue in upgrading to the payment option or the payment window, and you will have your account upgraded, and you can uh, add other plans, or you can use the normal plans and not the business one. After that, you will have if you have like upgraded your account, you will have all the users' emails showing here in this page, and then you will just click on unlock. As you can see here, you will just click on unlock next to the email address, and you will have unlocked their accounts. Also, you will be able like to change their password if they have forgotten it. So basically, this is how you can like unlock accounts. Thank you for watching and goodbye.